Once upon a time, phones had cords, calls cost a dime, and the whole neighborhood could listen in. It was terrible. It was wonderful. Here are 8 idioms from the telephone. Number 1, drop a dime. 1 coin in the payphone. 1 quiet call to the police. Dropping a dime means informing on someone, the cheapest betrayal in history. Number 2, hold the wire. Before hold music, there was just the wire, and you held it. Hold the wire means wait right there, do not hang up, do not wander off. Number 3, get your wires crossed. 2 conversations, 1 tangled switchboard, total chaos. Getting your wires crossed means 2 people confidently understanding 2 different things. Number 4, a party line. 1 phone line shared by the whole road. Yes, Mabel is listening. A party line means 0 privacy and everyone knowing your business by supper. Number 5, hang up on it. The conversation is over when the receiver hits the cradle. Hanging up on something means ending it abruptly with a satisfying click. Number 6, phone it in. You could show up in person with effort, or you could call. Phoning it in means doing the bare minimum from the farthest possible distance. Number 7, ring a bell. That name, that face. Somewhere deep in the files, a little bell goes off. Ringing a bell means sounding vaguely, naggingly familiar. Number 8, down to the wire. At old racetracks, a literal wire stretched over the finish line. Down to the wire means undecided until the last possible instant. And that is 8 idioms from the telephone. Thanks for holding the wire this long. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped you learn something new, please like and subscribe for a new idiom every single day.